All right, we're going to put fog lights in this IS350 F Sport and order these off of Amazon. These were like 140 something. These are the yellow ones. It's by the company JDM lighting. It comes as a complete assembly. Now these are the yellow ones. They also have clear ones. I'll put a link in the description below. But it goes as one complete assembly. It's a pretty easy install. You can just see they're just going to snap right into the bumper. But anyways, give us just a minute and we'll get them installed. All right, so what you want to do is turn your wheel all the way. You're going to loosen these 10mm bolts or use a Phillips screwdriver. Pull this liner back. You want to get to the wiring for your, like the daytime running light or whatever you can call that. And you're going to tap into that. So I just use T-taps, and you're going to tap the white with the black stripe. And then you come over here and you're going to pick the middle black one. So you're going to use this white one and then use the middle black one. You're just going to tap those for power. The fog light comes with this little wiring harness, this little pigtail here. And you're just going to plug it in and it's going to give it some power. And there you can go, it's working. So now we've tested it, so now we just got to actually put it in the car. So give us just a few minutes and we'll get it installed. Oh. Here's where that plastic cover was. So there's just some tabs that hold in the old cover. And there was actually like a vent going to like for air in the back side of it. Here's the new, is that the fog light assembly that fits? There you go. So just simple as that. And you just plug it all back together. And then obviously you want you want this plug to go back to the daytime running lights so they come back on. And then you're just going to plug this back into the back of the LED light. We're just going to test it and make sure the plug is in correctly. There you go. Now just put the wiring harness back in there, put the plastic cover back over, put the 2 screws back in there and button it all up. It's pretty simple install. Like I said, this is the yellow set. They also make the LED white set. The company was IJDMTOY. I'll put a link off of Amazon. But yeah, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, if you liked my video, you can check out other videos right here just like it. Please hit my subscribe button, and thanks for watching.